homeowners, it's me Zia, and I hope you're having an inspiring day. I'm here for you with the MF team with a tips and tricks video every Friday to inspire you to become your own home decorator. Isn't it hot in here? Is it just me or it's summer already? Woohoo! So what are your plans other than canceling all your summer trips because of you-know-who? Ugh, I hate that it's happening. Anyhow, if you're still out and about, please always stay safe. And if you decide to stay at home, let's call it a staycation. And you can get the best out of it by watching this episode because you never know, you might end up with a revamp project after. Before we get into the topic, the whole team would like to cling onto one look for the whole month, actually from mid-March to mid-April, and we are calling it the Tropical Oasis. Today we're only talking about entryways, but we've got a living room and a dining room in the pipeline, so do watch out for that. Today we will be showing you 2 ways to improve your entryway, including this setup, focused on style and function, of course. There's nothing new about putting a shoe cabinet in the entryway, but ironically, in a Filipino home setting, we tend to skip that part of the home because, well, we usually have tight spaces. And number 2, the budget. And the third and most unquestionable reason of all, we Asians believe in leaving the footwear outside of the home before we enter. Relate? Relate? I relate. However, if you stay in a condo, they don't allow you to leave your footwear in the hallway, so in case of an emergency, the fire exits are kept clear. This is where shoe storage comes in. If you have space and budget, it's better to have decent storage for your shoes, just like our pillar shoe cabinet. Our pillar shoe cabinet can accommodate 15 to 50 pairs of shoes, depending on the sizes. And since we're doing a tropical oasis vibe, we had the walls painted in a calming shade of green and beige. Let's start decorating our entryway number 1. We added this gorgeous woven rug for a more cohesive look. This is not available nationwide yet, but soon. For now, it's only available in Visayas. We have our ceramic stool for extra seating. This is optional though. Greenery is important. Faux or real, it just gives life in this space. A hook rack right here can add more function to the entryway, and that's exactly our goal. You can put your hygiene essentials on top of it, so if you come in, you can disinfect right away. We added a few accessories to complete the look, just like this printed kitten pillow, this cute banig basket for car or house keys, our designer opted for these geometric shaped mirrors instead of a large decorative mirror so that it won't be too loud in terms of getting attention. After all, you still have the living room. for look number 1. Now we go to look number 2 with the help of our in-house designer, Miss Bao.
Hi!
Hello, Miss Bao. I'm super excited to see what you have for us. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. A small sized rug like this will add texture, just like on the previous look. New item coming. This is our Veron console table. I know, it's gorgeous. It's made of solid wood, so it's also durable. Watch out for its launching. To make it more inviting, let's add these frames to the wall. Make sure to have them in different sizes, portrait or landscape, in any way you like, as long as it won't look crowded. This way, there's depth and structure. We're using the same accent chair with a throw pillow in a neutral shade this time. More plants, please! It's not tropical without the greens, right? To seal the look, we are now adding accessories like books, our hygiene essentials of course, banig basket, our bamboo lamp, florals, and a figurine. Because we already have a tall plant on this side, we decided to place the lamp on the other side so it balances out. And we're done! This is exactly the kind of entryway you want to welcome visitors in, right? Refreshing, inviting, and Instagram worthy, diba, Pao?
Yep.
And there you have it! Entryway in 2 ways, Tropical Oasis Edition. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Of course, follow us on our social media accounts, and if you like our content, support us with a subscribe. Don't forget to like and share this video, and most importantly, don't forget to join the giveaway. Thank you so much for joining me in this episode. I'll see you in the next one. This is Zia, inspiring your home. Stay well! Comment of the week. This week's prize